Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to Lato's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you an interesting tea recipe, ginger tea. I'll be using whole ginger, which when you take the tea, you'll have a soothing effect on your throat. And to make the tea creamy and rich, I'll be using Lato whole milk. Let's get started. Now, to make 2 cups of ginger tea, you'll need 1.5 cups of water, some tea leaves, whole ginger, and of course, Lato whole milk. So let's start with the tea. Put the water, half a teaspoon of tea leaves, and a small piece of ginger, and bring it to a boil. When it starts boiling, that's when we'll add 1 cup of milk. So the reason why I added 1.5 cups instead of 1 cup of water is to compensate for the evaporation of the tea as it simmers. So to this water with tea, we'll add 1 cup of Lato milk. I'll now bring it back to a boil and then let it simmer for about a minute until the tea is ready. To serve my ginger tea, I'll be making some mandazi. Now for the mandazi dough, you need flour, sugar, eggs, Lato milk, Lato butter, and then we make it into a dough. Now the secret in making the dough soft is actually in the butter and the milk. So now I'll be frying my mandazis. So the mandazis are ready when they're golden brown like this. So all you need to do is place them on a big plate or a bowl with a paper towel or serviette on the bottom to absorb the excess oil. And that has been my recipe of ginger tea served with mandazi. Hope you've enjoyed it. See you next time on Lato's Kitchen. Goodbye.